Today we are going to be making a super tropical drink, the Kiwi Gimlet. We are going to start by taking a half a kiwi, putting it directly into our shaker tin, and then muddling. My kiwi is not super ripe here, so it's a little harder than normal. Beautiful. Okay. All right. Where am I going? All right. Panicked for a second. I did. We're going to do half an ounce of simple syrup. We're going to do this is lime, yes, 1 full ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice, if I can get it to come out. Half an ounce of egg white. Stop it. And 2 ounces of cucumber lemon gin. So much going on over here. Okay. Because we did the egg white, I'm going to do a mime shake or a dry shake first. And as I've mentioned in previous videos, I recommend holding both the top and the bottom shaker tins. Otherwise, you may be wearing your cocktail, and I don't think we want that. Okay. Now, we're going to use the lower shaker tin. We're going to fill this up with ice. And then we're going to shake our concoction again. Again, I'm going to hold the top and the bottom. It's nice and ice cold in our hands. Beautiful. Okay, so we did use fresh squeezed lime juice. So we're going to use our Hawthorne strainer and a mesh strainer for a couple of reasons. A, we used fresh lime juice, but also because we muddled that kiwi. So we're going to get a decent amount of pulp coming through on this one. Look at how pretty she is. A lot of pulp. Okay. All right. Then, to finish our beautiful cocktail, we're going to garnish with a kiwi slice. There we go. All right. There we have it, our Kiwi Gimlet. And then I'm going to rate the cocktail from 1 to 5, 5 being the best, least best being 1. Oh, it's so kiwi flavored, or smelling. What the heck am I trying to say? I don't know. So smooth. The mouthfeel, thanks to the egg white, is fantastic. You get all that kiwi flavor right at the beginning. Not overly sweet. It's very refreshing. This is very much yummy. I'm going to give this guy, I'm going to do a 4.8 out of 5. 4.8 is going to be my final rating. All right. If you guys enjoyed the cocktail, don't forget, ingredients are going to be listed below. That way you can build the cocktail at home as well. You enjoy the cocktails, you enjoy seeing my face every day doing weird nonsense. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you make the cocktail, let me know what your rating is on a scale of 1 to 5. I'm super interested to hear what you guys think about the cocktails as well. So, until the next pour, cheers.